Hey there, I'm MInisalle, current Swedish Spine Fellow here in Seattle, Washington, and here's what's happening this week at Seattle Science Foundation. Monday, Dr. Randy Jensen will present on assessing survival in non-small cell lung cancer brain metastasis after stereotactic radiosurgery before and after the start of targetable mutation era at our newest series, Tumor Talk, presented in cooperation with the Journal of Neuro-Oncology. Tuesday, the University of Michigan will host our interesting spine case discussion series. Please join us Wednesday morning for our cerebrovascular Q&A discussion. Dr. Joel Peterman from Swedish Neuroscience Institute will be our guest Thursday morning at Neurology Grand Rounds. And mark your calendars for October 18th and 19th when we will host our 6th annual Advances in Motion Preservation of the Spine course. This course is an in-depth evaluation of current and emerging techniques in spine surgery used to preserve spinal mobility. Through cadaveric demonstrations and instructional didactics, we teach the best evidence-supported practices surrounding disc arthroplasty, laminoplasty, motion-preserving stabilization, and endoscopic techniques. As always, you can register for any of our courses at ssfcme.org, and thank you for supporting the Seattle Science Foundation.